Car that I got right here, it was supposed to be my new daily. I drive it around, everything, but something bad happened. And let me show you guys what really happened to the car, bro. So the coolant hose popped on me yesterday, and I was on the middle of the highway, so I really couldn't do anything. So I had to put diesel water. So I can't really drive it now. I gotta go to AutoZone for like the 20th time this month, and trying to get all the tools, all the stuff. Cause I don't know, dude. I'm trying to find my bolts. I can't find them, so I'm just gonna buy a new one and probably return it later on or keep it. Just got this. We're about to put it in the M4. But tell me why there was a guy that walking up and asked me, "Yo, how much did you pay for that?" And I was like, $270. And he was like, "Bro, you can get that shit. You can get that from Home Depot for like $100, everything combined. Bro, get that for like $70. Not $100 from Home Depot." So I think I'm just gonna go return it once I'm done, and then probably get me the other one for good. So what we're gonna try to remove this part right here, or get off. To the left. Let's take this off. Let's see if this would go out. This one's like already like loose. Okay. It's already like loose. Right there. So we got this part. Boom. There's right there. Boom. Oh yeah, and I've got to do this part now. This is gonna be the headache, dude. So we finally figured out which problem, like what coolant hose was it, because it happened in my first BMW where it popped, and I was like, okay. So it hit the coolant here, it hit the coolant down there, and then all of a sudden I was kind of wiggling, and then that shit was done for. Like, it was broken. Where is it at? I can't even find it, but it was broken. It was like a broken piece. And this one is the one that connects straight to the engine, and that might be cooked. So I'm still trying to figure out. I might go to AutoZone and see if I'd be able to get a pipe or something that's really hot I'd be able to glue on, because this will be hella expensive to like buy right now. It'd be like $600, and low-key I don't want to spend that much on this shit. So it turned out this right here connects to the one back here. So right now I'm trying to get like the cover off, so it might be easier. If it's not, I'll just probably put that shit back. But right now we gotta do this one right here to take out that, and hopefully I'd be able to find a good one from AutoZone for like a really good price. It's actually so dirty. So if I put you guys right here, this is the one that I'm trying to take out right there. But bro, I don't know if this is like a clip, this yellow thing. I don't know if it's a clip or not, but this shit's so weird. It's like literally trying not to crash out. Fucking we got it out right here, but I had to take off the starter, so I got everything that I need here. Dude, my back is actually killing me, but we're gonna see if we'd be able to go get a new one of those. And yeah, you guys stay tuned. My hands are so dirty. This camera is filthy right now, but yeah, we got everything. I still have that weird ass sensor I gotta take off, and then we should be good. I gotta go to AutoZone, get a new part, probably give me Red Bull because I'm tired of shit, and come back and finish off with this tonight. Hopefully tonight or tomorrow, but hopefully this will be done soon. Boom, and just like that, we got the main part off. We're gonna go to AutoZone and see if we'd be able to get another one. I don't know what this is, but I hope I didn't like rip it or something, break it. I didn't know it was like you unscrew it. I might be screwed on this part, but we'll figure out. We'll see everything. Hopefully everything is good. And yeah, let's get straight to it and let's go to AutoZone. Alright guys, so we finally got everything done. We're putting that on. We still have the filter. I didn't get coolant. I don't know why I didn't get coolant, but I'm probably gonna go anyways to AutoZone to return that and get coolant as well. But right now we're putting that on, making sure it's perfect so we can put this. But right now it was like 5. Hopefully we'll get everything done before it becomes midnight. And I'm gonna test out this van, make sure it works for work and everything. And yeah, We almost died right here. I got electrocuted. That was terrible. But yeah, let me catch you when everything's done. So finally, it's the next day. Now we're gonna see if it has coolant. I already filled it up today. With coolant. But let's double check everything. This is gonna be hard as hell, because it's not automatic. Oh, let me just pop that up. Here is this. Let's see. Does it have coolant? Okay, the coolant level seems fine. And so the coolant, let's see. Let's pop it up. Boom. Oh, it got coolant. It has coolant. And now this one, I filled it up earlier today. You see all the coolant stuff? It was this hose that I replaced. Had to take out the starter. Every single thing I had to take out. It was a headache. But now we're going to go for a ride. And let's see how good does the car start. You know, I don't think there's going to be a problem with it. Let's see. Okay. Check engine. Oh, okay, perfect. The check engine light is gone. That's good. I think it was just this sensor right here that was off the car. It was this sensor. And now we're just going to take it for a spin, make sure it doesn't overheat. Then we're back into business making money so we can get some car parts for this. No, car parts for the M4 down there. And kind of build it out for y'all. So let me just kind of get out of this neighborhood. And hopefully it will be good. So we ran into an issue where the coolant came all the way up. I don't know why, then it was all gone. But now what I'm trying to do is kind of gas it a little bit while it's parked. Kind of put it like 4,000 RPMs. And let it recycle through the whole system. And bro, that shit actually mad pissed me off. Because it went to the hot side whenever I was on my way here. And now I got this coolant, I poured some in. And you know, as you see, it's like exactly where I want it to be. And I'm trying to let it run, maybe gas it up a bit, and trying to see like if it's gonna, you know, cycle through without it exploding basically. But now I don't know why it's exploding. Like, I really see, it's kind of weird because I gas it and then it gets hot. I let go and it gets hella cold. But I'm just trying to let it recycle through the whole thing. And I'll catch you guys once it's all good. This. Hopefully it stays cool like that. I really don't want it to get like all messed up again, because that shit was indeed a headache. Like right now it's cool air, like cold air. I don't know why, even though it's hot. But now let's take it around on a drive. Let's see how good it drives. We also make sure I didn't drop anything out of my pockets, because that do happen a lot. So let me take it on a spin. Let me get back with you guys. Let's see if everything is all good. Hopefully it is. And I think it will be. So let's just go get it. We finally finished everything. It still needs coolant. We got the M4 down there. I gotta do some work to it. So what happened is it just kept chugging coolant. I think the car might be just like a little bit hungry. But oh my god, dude. It's a headache, dude. It took me so long. And finally, now that I'm done, I'll be able to go upstairs, edit this video, then I gotta head back to AutoZone to get more coolant, because this car loves chugging coolant. So what we're gonna do is do that, but I gotta end this video. That'll be in another video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And it's your boy Dextro. I'm out.